Hey everyone, Lauren Liddell here with Motor City Spindle Repair. As you know, Motor City specializes in CNC spindle repair for machining centers, turning centers, and grinders. We love your basic, more simple units, but did you know that Motor City also can excel in your more high-end 5-axis units as well? Let's dive on in.
In the world of precision machining, downtime is not an option. That's why when a high-end 5-axis spindle fails, you need a repair partner you can trust. 5-axis spindles are some of the most advanced machining center spindles in the industry. Oftentimes, they are motorized spindles, which includes electrical components, sensors, and encoders. These components allow the spindles to run with exact control and precision. At Motor City Spindle Repair, our team of experts has the skills and experience to repair even the most complex 5-axis spindles. From precision grinding to advanced bearing replacement, we use the latest technology and techniques to ensure your spindle is restored to OEM specifications. Don't let spindle failure bring your production to a halt. Trust Motor City Spindle Repair to get you back up and running. Motor City Spindle Repair, precision you can trust.